Okay, before my computer discharge again. This is Or. She is a reptilian model, okay? No eyelid. Now this is one picture. Let's go to the other one, the best one. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Now, I'll give you a better one. Yeah, she's beautiful. Of course she is. Oh, Daniel. She need to get you guys. She need you to pay for her boobs. She need you to be the slave. Because someone need to pay, yeah? Okay. You see here as well. It's not 100% eyelid. It's a bit hard. But now, this is my star one. Hello, Or. Hello, Reptilian. She seems so nice. Maybe she don't know. Yeah, but I bet she knows. Nice reptilian eyelid. Bye bye. Oh, just for you to know and see. It's so easy to take the mankind, humans, and just play with them. It's so fucking easy. And that's it. My computer died again. Yeah. Okay. Bye bye.